Sheertex tights never let me down, unless you count this. Yeah, that's real Sheertex. You work hard to hold it all together. You shouldn't have to worry about your tights falling apart. My life before Sheertex? How? I wasn't wearing the tights. The tights were wearing me, and I wear the tights in this relationship. That's why I switched to Sheertex, the world's toughest sheer tights. Guaranteed. Sheertex tights are strong, durable, and spill-resistant. Sheertex is made of a miniaturized version of the fiber found in climbing gear and bulletproof vests.
Science is so strong.
Yeah, all Sheertex sheer tights are tested to be unbreakable in human hands.
But what if I sing? Nope.
Named Best Tights by Vogue, Best Invention by Time Magazine, and Best Purchase Ever by me. Sheertex are the only tights that can keep up with whatever the day throws at you. If you're ready for a pair of tights that last, click to order Sheertex today.
Plus, they have free shipping.
Intern Madison gets it. She gets it.
She gets it.
Sheertex can withstand victory dances, jagged jewelry, snaggy nails, and claws, like animal claws. Sheertex is disrupting the tights industry. People aren't putting up with terrible tights anymore. Sheertex is so comfortable, you'll forget you're wearing tights. Traditional tights have waistbands that dig and roll. Sheertex has a yoga-style band that smooths and comfortably hugs every body type. From extra small to 3XL, Sheertex are truly tights for everyone. Plus, they're super cute. Love your Sheertex.
Thanks. Conference call.
Oh, yeah, me too. Sheertex has thousands of 5-star reviews. I've got a 2 o'clock. Take it away, ladies.
Sleek and fashionable.
Sheer, but strong.
The most comfortable tights I have ever owned. Zero regrets.
Okay, people, talking tights. Most tights are guaranteed to rip. Every pair of Sheertex come with a no rip, no tear guarantee.
Guarantee.
Thanks, Sterling.
You're welcome.
Your normal tights don't even last until laundry day. I mean, you can't wash away holes. Cleaning Sheertex is as easy as tossing them in the washer and dryer. Did you know over 1 billion pairs of disposable tights end up in landfills every year? So Sheertex helps you and the planet. For unstoppable tights that won't slow you down, get your own Sheertex at Sheertex.com. See you tomorrow.
Goodbye. Come on. Gosh.
Sheertex, run your world without runs in your tights.